Sure that's your car, isn't it, Lee? Are you up here? We're out again. Whew. Trying to make some tracks. Matthew's with us again today. And I'm sure down there I've seen Lee's car from Black Mountain Adventures. Mr. Stubbs is running late. He's supposed to be meeting us here. So we'll see. Yeah. Whew. I'm boiling. Why am I always in a rush? There we are. Right then. We're in a new forest. Although I think one of you may recognise it. Sorry, buddy. Hang on. Lost. Have a look. Yeah. Maybe by here? Maybe? I don't know. Mr. Wild Whales. Nice spot. Whew. Weather's bad, yeah. Torrential weather is. We've got a bit of shelter up here though. Martha's with us. Like some medieval cowboy maybe? Well, I don't know, it's not medieval, is it? Yeah. Mr. Stubbs is on his way up, supposed to be. So, first time we've had the three of us out. Should be fun. I'm in a hammock tonight. Matthew's got his camouflage tent with him as well. You can call it that. So we need to get set up now. Hey Matt.
Yeah, it's find the right time.
Are you worried you're going to get some COVID off me or what?
No.
Look at this get up, guys. He's not getting wet, is he? Huh? And I decided today I'm not getting my feet wet. Hence the wellies. So yeah. I just hope Mr. Stubbs can find us now, so we'll have a good night down. Yeah. Look at this place. Absolutely stunning. I have had a look on Google Earth on one of our old camps and I can see a new road running through it, so I hope they don't go chopping it down, but in case there aren't, what will be. Just hope they don't chop down where we normally camp, just keep that a little bit. Right, we're gonna get set up now. I'll catch you in a bit.
What?
Hang on.
You asked me for a piece of string, right? There's a big fucking ball of it out.
Well, I wasn't going to undo all that, was I? Righty guys, welcome back. It is absolutely torrential. I wasn't in the best mood starting. I gotta stop saying I'm in these videos. Do my own head and watching it, me back saying these things. But yeah, Mr. Stubbs is on his way. In the dark. Good luck to him finding it anyway, but yeah. Wow. So we're all set up. I got my hammock. We're all, well, me and Matthew have been hiding under here for the last 2 hours because it's raining. And I mean, it's raining. So, yeah, footage in the dark again. I got to apologise. I have upgraded my lights so you can see us better and we can have a bit more of a chit chat in the night hopefully, and you know, future videos and that. So yeah, everything I wanted to do today has just gone all to pot, but there we are. We're out to see what footage we'll get for you and then see what I can get from it. So I'll get some nice video footage for you in the morning now. And yeah, we'll go from there. Got some cracking steaks. Hang on, let's have a look. Look at that bad boy. Can't see it from there. That's about 50mm thick. Mr. Stubbs' recommendation from Lidl's. Lovely. I've already tried it out. Nightmare to cook mine, but I'm sure we'll try and cook it somehow. I got a bit of lamb as well. Yeah. Yeah.
Well, hello. Made it. 2 falls, a river crossing back, and then a rest will come in and phone me somewhere.
It's you in the dark.
Martha,
Hello,
where are you?
how you doing in the dark?
Come on, show
How
your
you?
face.
Get in here, Mark boy.
Turn that light off.
Yeah, you didn't realise how powerful your new one was.
Your fog lamps are on and everything.
Yeah, I got like 10 bulbs, that gives 1 bricks.
Well, we got a trio, finally. And whose spot is this, son? Who do you think?
I don't know if I can say on the video because we've found quite a few locations.
Busted. We found it. And Rufus, you said in one of your videos I wouldn't find it. Hard luck, I found it, son. So, yeah. So, we were going to have a campfire, but I don't think we're even going to bother. It's too wet. Right, so, you soaking, boy?
Fucking soaked. First one,
Yeah.
first
There
one,
we are, he's done it again.
first one.
So you camping with them?
Right, hammock. I was just going to bivvy and tap it, I was.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I wish I brought my tent, I'll be
Yeah?
honest. Yeah, it's wrecked me setting this up tonight. So there we are, that's life in it, boys.
That's life at the wood end.
Explain yourself, what happened at 12 o'clock?
12, well, I left to go do a little job in Pencloud
Yeah.
at, I was supposed to be there at 10. I left at like 9:15. Went to go and get a bag of one coat from Gosainan.
This is builder's life now, this is. Doesn't go to
Gosainan
plan.
Travis. No.
I think I'm going to have to edit that out now, mate. Am I? No, not enough.
No.
But subscribe to my channel anyway, don't matter.
It was Trukins Pravis.
Truckins, that's it. Truckins, Barbie.
Trukins Pravis. Went there, none. Didn't have any. Had to go down and come D to the other Trukins Pravis. Got some, turned up on the job, and the plumber had been there before me
And took it all.
and didn't know what the hell to do in the word of plasterboarding. So, you know what the score is.
Yeah.
When in doubt, form it out. My battery died on the way down there anyway.
Yeah.
And then I couldn't phone anybody. On
No.
my way back, I was thinking, should I just do a knock on Matthew's door now?
He wasn't there.
No.
I picked him up.
You were on the move by then.
Anybody who knows me anyway knows I'm unreliable as hell.
No,
Right.
you're always late.
Yeah, it's true.
Yeah. But he's got a good story for it.
Yeah,
And then it's like, oh, right.
that's
And
right.
it is. It is. It genuinely is. So, anyway, bring me back now.
She's rolling now. Looking good now.
We're drinking on the menu, mountain menu tonight. A bit of Boss Brewing. Boss Brave. 5.5 Welsh IPA. That. There you go.
It's Welsh.
Well, Boss Brewing is down by opposite Liberty Stadium.
Yeah. Ah, it's a bit of Swansea Jack in it, mate. I don't know about that. It should be good though. It's Welsh.
Welsh. Do it the old David Bellamy's, is it? It doesn't smell too bad, like.
Huh? What?
That's hanging.
Percentage is she?
5.5.
Having a swig, babe. What's wrong with that? Well,
Never try that one again.
that's well deserved. You can have that, babe.
Oof.
Don't you like it?
I know the Welsh are good at some stuff.
Can't be Welsh.
No. Let's see where it comes from.
Can't be Welsh.
Where's it from? It says lush tropical fruity. It tastes like wet feet.
Wet feet.
Wet feet. Flavour, zingy, grapefruit, zesty citrus, is spicy and piney, kick to finish. No, that's lies.
No.
Perfect with your favourite Indian curry, takeaway, a meaty burger or fajitas. No. Fruity zest. No. Fucking zingy grapefruit, zesty citrus, is spicy and piney, kick to finish.
I'll kick it.
It had a kick. You'll kick the bottle in the touch. Brewed with an American prized hops. No, it should be Welsh hops.
There's no Welsh.
The IPA has the
Oh,
volume
that's disappointing, boys. What do you say?
turned up to just the right level. No, it's the wrong level. The hops been overwhelmingly. Yeah, they overwhelming by price. Deafening.
Stabs, can I stop you there?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
No.
He's not even looking at us.
No. Boss Brewing, if you want to hit me up for some taste testing. Right? This one isn't going on the list.
There he goes again.
And only available on weekends.
Tout 10. Tout 10.
Yeah.
Oh, she's glass as well. Oh, I know
No,
that.
not happy with that.
Well.
The old David Bellamy's alright, like, but no.
Well, what can we say? Truth comes out, yeah.
Maybe we should have stuck Australia.
Maybe.
I can't bring myself to have another mouthful. No, I can't. Can't do it.
Well, good morning. What a rough night that was. And a wet one. Stubbs is in his cocoon, look at him.
Good morning, guys.
Yeah. A wet one as well, innit? Couldn't get much filming done last night. It was terrible. No time lapses. Look at the state of my tarp. Look at it. Well, there we are now. Let me dry. First time I've slept with my trousers on and my sleeping bag and my legs cold all night. Bad move. There we are. How did you sleep, Matt?
Lovely.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, well, he's happy as usual, what can I say? He had a log land on his tent in the middle of the night. And I looked on top of his tent and there's a twig. That's a bit alarm. Look at these. Look how wet these things are.
It's my water collection system, that is.
Soaking.
Oh, I said you get me a man together, man. I got my boots to bag when you
Got a mess in there. Not good, does it? Oh well, we'll tidy all this up now in a bit. Have a look around there then. Lovely spot. Stream's a bit higher tonight. Today. Stream's a bit higher today. Well, have you seen anything like it?
Hello. It's them new Decathlon down trousers. They sent them to me to try out, they did.
I think he got so drunk last night that he decided to put his coat on his feet.
It was a good call. It was a good call.
There, so good.
It was a good call.
Needs must. Bad,
So good.
bad choice for them.
Yeah.
Oh well.
Oh well. Oh well.
He gonna walk out like that?
Yeah. Yeah. I was going to put these over.
Yeah.
I put one leg in just a second, but nah.
Yeah,
no, I just feel coming through already.
Yeah. Oh, let's pack it up. Matthew's ahead of us. Makes a change. Yeah, I'm trying to pack up. It's home now. Right. One of them nights. Torrential rain. Wow. And we had exploding rocks, didn't we? Oh my god. Some stones around the fire and then bam! Right, bring you back in a bit. We got a man down.
Man down.
He's fallen.
His bag's too heavy.
You alright?
Yeah, good stuff.
Are you laughing at me falling over last night? How's the nose?
Oh, that's not too bad.
Not too bad, he says.
I fell back there and elbowed him in the face. Whoops. Right. That's us all packed away. Nice and clean. Fire's gone. Stubbs is still wearing his jacket on his legs.
Down jacket. The car phone, you can send me more if you want.
He's always shouting, isn't he? Leave no trace. Take it out with it. Right. I'll get my bag on now. I'm not trying not to fall over.
Here you go.
Come on, man.
Let's have it.
Let's pull you up there.
Oh, and I will. Well, he's on to you. What? You got it. See you got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, you was like noise on the back there, isn't it?
Right. See you next time. Well, that's another camp done anyway. I would say we were tent bound, we were tarp bound. Heaviest rain I've ever camped in, that is. Everything is slick then. It was good fun though. We had a couple of falls last night. I fell again today. Stubbs fallen. Matthew fell with his bag. Good fun. At least it's not raining. How you feeling, Stubbs? How you feeling?
Tired, man?
What's that bottle you got beside you there? Yeah. Boss Brave. Boss Brave. Boss Brewery, Swansea. What's it like?